there are four types of suborbits: S suborbit, P suborbit, D suborbit, and F suborbit. Okay, see actually, so this N will indicates the orbit number, and L indicates the value of suborbits. Every suborbit will have its own value. S suborbit will have L value 0. For P suborbit L value is 1. For D suborbit L value is 2. And for F suborbit L value is 3. So after knowing the values of N and L, now if you add the values of N and L, then it will give the energy of suborbit. For example, out of 4s and 3d suborbits, which suborbit have less energy? So in order to find out, so simply we will calculate the N plus L value. So here N plus L value for 4s. So N is what? N is 4 and L is, S means for S L value is 0. L is 0. So here for N plus L, what is the N plus L value of 4s? So it is 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0. What is the value? It is 4. Then what is the value of 3D? N plus L value of 3D. So N value, what is the N value of 3D? 3. Here N value is 3. What is the L value for 3D? D. For D, what is the L value? For D, L value is 2. Now N plus L value will be how much? Now N plus L is equal to how much? It is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5. 5. So N plus L value of which one is more? N plus L value of 4s is 4, whereas 3D it is 5. So that means 4s is having less energy when compared to 3D. So that is why 4s is written before 3D. So as we move from 4s to 3D, energy increases. So the energy value of 4s is 4 and the energy of 3D will be 5. So like this, suborbit's energy is calculated by using N plus L rule. Okay, so here we are when suborbits are arranged according to increasing order of their energies. Okay, then only electrons will enter into the lower energy. Always remember that electrons always enter into the lowest energy available suborbit. So when these two suborbits are available, then electron always enter into 1s. After filling of 1s only, electron will enter into 2s, like this. For example, if you write the electronic configuration of nitrogen for example, so it is having 7 electrons. So its electronic configuration will be should be written like this. First 1s, 2s, 2p. First we will write these suborbits, and out of 7 electrons, s can contain only 2 electrons. Okay, every s can contain only 2 electrons, and p can contain how many electrons? P can contain 6 electrons maximum. P may contain 0 electrons or 1 electron or 2 electrons or 3, up to 6 only it can contain. So P cannot hold 7 electrons. So as there are altogether 7 electrons only, so the first 2 electrons will enter into this one. So that means 1s2. After entering of 2 electrons into this one, the remaining 5 electrons are left over. So those 5 out of 5 electrons left over, so the 2 electrons will enter into 2s. And how many electrons are left over? So only 4 electrons we have filled into these suborbits. So 3 more electrons are left over. So like this, electrons will enter into the lowest energy suborbit first, and after that higher energy suborbit will take the electrons, and after completion of this suborbit also, the next electrons, the remaining electrons will try to enter into the next higher energy orbit, higher energy suborbit. So in this way, so the electrons will enter into suborbits. So this is what the Auber principle says that. So Auber principle says electrons always enter into the suborbits in the order of increasing energies. So like this. Now let us learn about the Pauli's principle. What is Pauli's principle? Pauli's principle says that an orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons only. Maximum of 2 electrons only. An orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons only, and should have opposite spin. So that means, so this rule says that if there is an orbital, maybe any orbital, it may be 1s orbital, or else it may be 1s orbital or 2s orbital, or else it may be 2p orbitals. So there are, this is one 2p orbital, this is another 2p orbital, this is another 2p orbital. How many 2p orbitals are there? There are 3 2p orbitals. So this is the name of this orbital is 2p orbital. This orbital is also 2p orbital, and even this orbital is also 2p orbital. The name of this orbital is 2s orbital, and the name of this orbital is 1s. So whatever the name of the orbital it may be,